Sai Ram students, a warm welcome to all of you. Today we will be doing a short recap of dictionary. Let us just revise what is an entry word. Each word defined in a dictionary is called an entry word. So we see so many words. Okay, so every single word, whichever is defined in the dictionary, it is an entry word. What are guide words? Guide words tell us the first and the last word defined on each page. So every single page carries different words. So the very first word on one page and the last word on the same page, they are called as guide words. So don't confuse yourself. Every word which is defined in a dictionary is called an entry word. And the first word and the last word on the same page, they are called as guide words. Moving ahead. What is pronunciation? Okay, pronunciation tells us how to say a word. Okay, what is pronunciation? Pronunciation tells us how we are supposed to pronounce a word. Clear? What is a syllable? Syllable is a word part that has only one vowel sound. Clear? What is parts of speech? So parts of speech tells us how the word is used, whether it is used as a noun, it's used as a verb or as an adverb, as an adjective, as a, So parts of speech basically tells us how a particular word is used. What is definition? A definition tells you what each word means. What's the meaning of that particular word? That is definition. And some words have more than one meaning. Clear? What is sample sentence? A sample sentence gives you a sentence using the word. Whatever is the word. If the word is used as a verb, they will give you a sample sentence, okay, using the word as a verb. Clear? If the word is used as noun, the sample sentence will use the word as a noun and we'll be able to understand better. Clear? What is page number? So the page number shows us on which page the word occurs. Clear, students? Look here. Look at this illustration. So what is going to be our entry word? Yes, this word pounding is our entry word. Okay, how are we going to, what is the pronunciation? Can you see over here? Pounding, the way we have to pronounce it. Okay, then what is the parts of speech of this particular word? It is used as a noun. I hope all of you are able to understand what I am telling you. This is the entry word. Okay, this is the pronunciation. This is the parts of speech. Pounding. Syllable. Pounding. Clear? Now, next we move on to the meaning. A very loud repeated sound, such as the sound of something hitting something else hard. The sound or the feeling of your heart beating strongly. Okay, so this number 1, can you see? That's the first meaning. A very loud repeated noise, such as the sound of something hitting something else hard. Okay, here I have an example sentence. We were awoken by a pounding at the door. Clear? This is the second meaning. An occasion when something is hit hard or attacked and severely damaged. Okay, that's the second meaning. And the synonym for that is battering. Okay, example sentence is the boat took a pounding in the gale. I hope, students, it's clear to all of you. Let me give you one more example. Look here carefully. Here I have, if you can see the page number over here, all of you, this word investigate, okay, it comes on page number 38 of my dictionary. Clear? 838, I'm sorry, it comes on page number 838. Okay, now if you look at this word carefully, look at the syllable. Investigate. Clear? This is the pronunciation. Okay, how do you read the word? How do you say the word? Okay, this is the parts of speech. Clear? Now the meaning is to carefully examine the facts of a situation, an event, a crime, etc. to find out the truth about it or how it happened. So that is the meaning of the word investigate. Clear? Now we also have a sample sentence. The FBI has called in to investigate. Okay, this is the sample sentence over here. The FBI has called in to investigate. Clear? Here we have the second meaning. To try to find out information about somebody's characters, activity. Okay, this is not the first time he has been investigated by the police for fraud. Clear, students? Moving ahead. Here I have a small activity for all of you. Label each part of the dictionary entry with its matching letter on the flower. So A is pronunciation, B is parts of speech, C is definition, and D is entry word. And we all can see 4 boxes over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what it is, from here you have to take the alphabet, whether it is A, B, C or D. Okay, so let's do it together, students. Okay, to begin with, we have the word daily. So what is daily? Daily is pronunciation. I'm talking about this word daily. Is it pronunciation or is it parts of speech, definition or entry word? Come on, students, tell me. Yes, it is entry word. So here the word daily is entry word. So we will give alphabet. We'll be giving alphabet D over here in this box. Clear, students? Moving ahead, we have this second box is here. Now what is this? Is this parts of speech, or is it definition or pronunciation? Yes, it is pronunciation. Why? Because if you see, this word tells us how daily will be said. How are you going to pronounce the word daily? Daily. Clear? So this is pronunciation. So here we have given D. So here we will be giving A. I hope, students, it is clear to all of you. Next box happens to come here. So adverb, adjective. This is parts of speech. Perfect. So parts of speech is B. Clear, students? And then we have the definition. If something happens daily, it happens every day. Okay. And here we have, this is the meaning. Okay. The example sentence. The exhibition is open daily from 11 a.m. This is the example sentence. I set out for my daily walk. This is again an example sentence. Second meaning. Daily means relating to a single day or to one day at a time. The recommended daily intake of vitamins. The third meaning. A daily or daily newspaper is newspaper that is published every day except Sunday. Clear, students? So here I have the fourth box. If you can see carefully, the fourth box happens to be here. So this is nothing but it is the definition. Yes, so it is C. So here daily, first one daily is the entry word. Second daily happens to be the pronunciation. Third box here we have B, and the last box over here is C. Clear, students? Great. Let's move on to the next activity. Refer the dictionary and write the words. So here I have 5 words for you. The pronunciation of those words is given to you. Okay. Now I have images of these pronunciation which will help us to tell which word it is. So let's get started, students. Okay. So the first one, if you see, the first word is grace. Look at the pronunciation over here. The first word is grace. How to pronounce it? Grace. Okay. So the first word over here is grace. Look at the second word carefully. Yes, the second word is heck. What's the second word? It is heck. Clear? Let's see the third word. This is, let's find out the word here. Can you see? The third word is impressive. Clear, students? Moving on to the next word. Here, the fourth and the fifth one. Can you see carefully? Yes. So the fourth word is pity. What is the fourth word? Pity. Look at the pronunciation. Pity. Okay. And let me show you the fifth word. The fifth word is skeleton. Look at this part. Skeleton. Clear, students? So the 5 words, basically what we have over here, first one is grace, second one is heck, third one is impressive, fourth one is pity, and last one is skeleton. Clear, students? These 5 words, I hope they are clear to all of you. Moving on to the next activity. So yes, this is going to be your individual activity. Now, all of us are using different dictionary. For example, when I will do this, for me, what is the name of your dictionary? The dictionary that I use is Oxford Dictionary. In which year was the dictionary published? It was published in the year 1948. But I am using the 10th edition, which came out in the year 2020. Similarly, how many pages does my dictionary have? So my dictionary has 1820 pages. So like this, students, you have to answer whichever dictionary you are using. Using that dictionary, you have to answer these questions. You can either use Collins, you can use Macmillan, you can use Oxford. Okay, it can be a bigger one or a smaller one, whichever you have. Okay, all the details you will find in that particular dictionary. Okay, so this is for you all. And when we catch up in the next class, wherein we will be doing dictionary in near future, I will be discussing the answers as well. So you have enough time, students. Do complete this homework. Clear, students? So I hope, students, this short recap of dictionary is clear to all of you. Okay, don't forget to complete this homework. This is your homework and you have to complete. Whenever I have next class wherein I'll be dealing with dictionary, we will be cross-checking with the answers. So you will take care of yourself until we meet next. Sai Ram and bye-bye.